here's a living and the dining area which is much more spacious, and this is your kitchen area. You can check out how spacious this bedroom is, the most spacious room in your house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Casa Grande GS Infinity, which is located in Attapur, Hyderabad, a project developed by Casa Grande Builders. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So on my right hand side is the land parcel of the project where the construction work is in progress. And now about the marketing office is just on my left hand side over here, where there is the model flat and the 3D model of the project. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 4.8 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 elegant towers, with each tower of 3 basement, ground plus 35 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 100 plus world class amenities like of, let me show you through this miniature. Here's the kids play area, multi-purpose court, 41,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with rooftop swimming pool, garden area, and many more amenities in this project. Now about the location part, and this project is located on 100 feet road of Attapur in Hyderabad, and this road will take you towards Karwan Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, 10 minutes away from APPA Junction ORR. Airport is 25 minutes away, Zoe Hospital is 4 minutes away from the project. So this is your 2,961 square feet of 4 BHK sample flat. Let's have a look at it. So before moving in, let me show you the grand entrance, which comes with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you move in, you can check out here's a living and the dining area which is much more spacious. Here you can set your sofa set over here for your living area. Now moving further, exactly in center of your living area, you can set your dining table. So you can utilize this space as a dining area. Now this side is your family lounge area for your family get together, where you can again set your sofa set in front of the TV unit over here, which is connected to the balcony. This balcony comes with wooden finishing anti-skid tiles, toughened glass railing, and this is not just a balcony, it's a running deck almost, because this balcony is connected to 2 other balcony of the rooms. You can have a look. Now we'll be moving further towards your kitchen area. So with the easy access to your dining area, they have provided a kitchen area, and you can check out. Your kitchen area is not much visible. It gives you perfect privacy. So they have even provided a foyer area over here. And this is your kitchen area. You can check out how beautifully the interior work is done for your reference. Here's a horizontal window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Now, about the utility. On my right hand side is the utility area with machine provision. And here comes the common washroom with a sink outside. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting, they have even provided a sink area inside as well. Now moving further towards your bedroom space. And this side is your bedroom number 1, that is your guest bedroom. But before moving in, let me show you this beautiful space. Here's a puja room. Now, here comes your guest bedroom. And once you enter in, you can check out how spacious this bedroom is with a huge bed space over here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and not just a window. If you have a look, it's almost a full window, and if you open it over this side, it will also give you a feel of a standing balcony. Now, exactly opposite to window is your wardrobe space. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 2, and which is just beside this bedroom. So you just have to check this side, and here's your bedroom number 2. So once you enter from this entrance, and here's the space with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Additionally, they have even provided a washroom. So here's your washroom. And here's the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And a bathing area which is separated by a tile drop. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 3. And again, bedroom number 3 is just beside this bedroom, and here's the entrance. So once you enter, you can check out. Here they have provided a foyer area for your privacy, and this is the space. So here's your huge bed space over here. This is a window again which will be converted to a standing balcony and gives you a perfect feeling of a balcony. And a proper balcony over here. This is the same balcony which we checked earlier, and this balcony is connected to the balcony of your living area, and you can have a look to the balcony. Here's a balcony. You can have a look at this balcony again. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom. And once you move out from this bedroom, just behind me is the master bedroom. Now before moving further, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit and register for free on Housey.com. And now, so the wait is over. And this is the master bedroom. Once you enter from here, you can check out how spacious this bedroom is. The most spacious room in your house with a huge bed space. And one thing, here's a balcony, and this is the same balcony again which connects you to the balcony of your living and the dining area. One more plus point here, they have provided a full window. Again, once you open it, it will be converted to a standing balcony as well, giving you perfect ventilation and lighting in this room. Here's your TV unit space. And now about the walk-in wardrobe, which is right in front of me over here. So this room provides you with a walk-in wardrobe and attached washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Casa Grande Developers Project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.